how artificial intelligence affects human brain. Both direct and indirect effects of artificial intelligence, AI, on the human brain are possible. AI may have the following effects on our brains. Cognitive offloading. We can delegate cognitive activities to robots using AI tools like smartphones and personal assistants. As a result, we no longer need to memorize and process some sorts of information ourselves. Instead, we rely on AI systems to retain information, conduct calculations, and deliver speedy replies. Information overload. Given the wealth of digital information at our disposal, AI-powered algorithms and recommendation systems have the potential to inundate us with a never-ending flood of information. This may result in information overload, which could impair our capacity for concentration, memory, and decision-making. AI has the potential to improve human abilities and capabilities. For instance, AI-powered solutions can help professionals in a variety of fields, such as healthcare, finance, and research, by supporting their decision-making processes through data analysis, pattern recognition, and other techniques. This improvement in human capacity may result in better performance and results. Automation and job replacement. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation technologies have the potential to replace some jobs that require repetitive and routine labor. People may need to modify their talents and look for new ways to give back to society as a result of changes in the labor environment. AI poses significant ethical and social issues that may have an impact on our opinions and views. Our viewpoints and beliefs can be influenced by problems like privacy, bias in algorithms, AI decision-making, and the effect of AI on social relationships. Human-AI interaction. As AI systems proliferate, people are interacting with them more and more frequently and in a variety of ways. Our social behavior, communication styles, and cognitive functions may all be impacted by this connection. For instance, chatbots and voice assistants are revolutionizing how we communicate and look for information. It's crucial to remember that research and debate on the effects of AI on the human brain are continuing. While AI can be useful and convenient, there are also issues that must be resolved in order to ensure a responsible and positive integration of AI into society. The use of machine learning and other types of AI process enormous volumes of data and make predictions or uncover patterns that would be challenging or impossible for humans to recognize on their own is one of the most significant ways that AI is affecting human intelligence. Another issue is the possibility that AI would stunt innovation and creativity. AI systems may be able to come up with new ideas and find solutions to issues in ways that humans cannot as they develop. As we become more dependent on the AI to perform these tasks for us, this may result in a decline in human creativity and innovation. The issue of bias is among the most crucial factors to take into account when analyzing how AI will affect human intelligence. Because AI systems can only be as objective as the data they are trained on, biased data will probably cause the AI to make decisions that are biased in some way. Certain groups of people, including minorities or women, could experience unjust treatment as a result of this. The possible consequences of AI on human intelligence are both positive and bad, making it a complicated and diverse subject. AI raises crucial questions regarding the nature of human intellect and how it may be impacted by the development and broad use of AI, even while it has the potential to improve human intelligence and skills. It is critical that we manage the creation and application of AI in a proactive manner in order to make sure that the technology is utilized for the good of humanity.